This is where I think the world globally now really took note of Quico. When we heard you in the intro of Party Shot,
Yeah, man.
Popcaan, but right there is where we really know, okay, there's this person here named Quico. How was it? What was the connection like with Papi Lo? How did that song come along?
Oh, that song really come about, when in Detour, we start by that Bugle and that us. That one is a history, not about music here. We start by Bugle, I start the promotion car. Then by that's why I left the knob stop back. See the knob stop there? We have a campaign for Bugle, we have a campaign for Egyptian, we have a campaign for Cartel, we have a campaign for good production there. So the back was full of CD with 10 different juggling in it. So I saw me have a connection with all artists because we are the favorite kid where Johnny One, the acknowledged president, give me a trophy for the street. You see me, I say, because me at the youth, we're in the studio, I forgot to drop off the CD then before the dance start. So, then we have a new juggling, this Friday release. Me that get a portion of the CD. So from Friday, me start do the road. Monday, me that go down uptown, I drop off two. Friends stay in the drop off two. All of the dance around already when they drop off 1, 4, 5, 6, and all stone over about 10 selectors. So me have to make everybody get 2. Yes, what I say, I saw me use it. So I saw me link with all Bugle, because I used to promote Bugle songs them too. If you look at in a Bugle video, Idol, I mean start that video then. You used to be my idol. Me and Jamie, that's what I say. Girl move that with you, but you know where it is. Yes, what I say, all of them songs them take part in the video. And they run them when them song their voice and I make. See me? Me have Bugle about 2 or 3 color. You see me?
Okay.
Yeah, cause Bugle any youth around him, I him see every time he might give a feature and a song. So I mean give me a feature, he might bring down a thing called Get a Christmas. You see me? Yeah, never took out where you don't know. Go on good. You see me? So big up to Bugle, real youth.
You see the thing, Irie, with your journey in the business, you seem to have covered every aspect of this business. Artist, song, selected, now producing, slang, everything that could be done in this business, you seem to have had some portion to do with it.
Yeah, man. How I ask him, I feel something for the music. And up to today, we still have something for the music. You see me? Because we now stop have something for the music. Even them younger generation still have come through and them call every day for idea, every day for quick up all this and we share the talent to them. That's why I made them about good understanding. Trying to care who call my phone and answer them. You see me? A reason with them. Once you have manners and respect and they share the energy with you. You see me? Because that's a code. Yeah, man.
So you're telling me how the link with you and Papi came around to get Party Shot?
No, all that link that come about now when me start link with Bugle, Upper Shocking Vibes or Wallet. That's when Popcaan, Cartel, it make a shift. Everybody was like, at Shocking Vibes. That was like the HQ for Cartel, Popcaan, Bugle. You see what I'm saying? Artists used to come there. You see what? Yeah, and Mr. Robert used to book show for Bugle. So at the time when they saw we didn't go well vibes, pick up Bugle CD, carry them on the street and by the Popcaan come the start voice, well of vibes in the yard, well of strength in the yard. And me the vibes sleep that anyone going full of vibes. So I did the in the yard and when Papi say, yo, never saw me have a voice, I'm why you entreat it. I'm saying, no problem. I mean, let's go in and sue that one take do that, We go on all the road, look, I'm says that board look fry, change your air and forward, quick. Cause at night time when Papi them there at the street, they that call me for ask me how the road look. I mean, I tell them how the road look where the party there was going. But me have the satellite to the street. You see what I say? Cause me do like 4 or 5 party at night time, anyway the sound there, that's over there, anyway the vibes are, that's over there. Yeah, man, so when them left school, them with a connect up. Yeah, man. And I saw me just go into the song and get a hit song. Big up to TG record. You see what I said? Yeah, man, that a cool. 100 blocks. Big up yourself and invite the song there.
The Andrew Blacks.
Yeah, man, Andrew Blacks the device, man.
Because I think even the same song, go back, the same song with you and Charlie Blacks, I think that was an Andrew Blacks production.
Yeah, man, Andrew Blacks produced that.
UIM?
UIN, yeah, man.
It was him and his brother, those.
Yeah, man. I did that before Black Diamond, before Andrew Blacks, he would call himself UIN, but yeah, right.
Yeah. Now, when it comes to being in the streets, boss, and you were responsible to the street, do you see anybody else doing promo, or that was something you basically almost came up with?
Now, one thing I said, in on the street, you used to have what a brother had named Fire. We used to fly with elephant, man. No one on the road, you big up to Fire. You know, Fire used to in the street. Yeah. But at the time, I mean, get up, but
yes, I know it was okay. I remember you get up, and then I think after that came out, Walk and Talk.
no, man. Then when they don't come up with so man, man, just come like there. What is this, man? And just come. And then what it is.
Yeah. Well, when it came to road work, it was you and Get Up, and there was
How we respond to the street.
yeah.
Yeah, actually. We are the youth. Trying to get up on my quick. Most of the top juggling and come from mines. And get up on me used to respond to like Steve.
He did a lot of big shit.
After when him start branch off when you see me Stephen them fly with migrate and start do some teams start pick up some other work. What me is that me are the all rounder. You see me? I mean I work with the distributor for the music, which was Johnny Wonder. You see me? Cause when we go on to Johnny Wonder, me have 4 set of CD put on, 5 set of CD put on. I must say quick, this guy leave 30,000, this guy leave 20, you take that next rest. You see me? I mean, I get food with everybody. I mean, just go in and see that them promote everybody get them CDs. And I say, I just call it my food that I call it.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.